If you're looking to move abroad but not sure what you'll do for work, you may want to consider teaching English as a foreign language. If you're interested in pursuing this path, it may be helpful to become TEFL certified. It's a professional certification that trains aspiring teachers and giving them everything that they need to be successful abroad. You can teach in 80 countries with this certification. So today I'm going to tell you about several organizations that offer this certification and is very affordable. So let's jump right into it. The first website is my TEFL, and their website address is mytefl.com. Right now they have a special for 48% off of their online courses. Here's the promo code. It's valid until July 12th. So let's scroll down. With over 40 years of TEFL experience, our team and partners make my TEFL a great choice. We've been teachers, training managers, writers, editors, publishers, consultants, and just like you, travelers and adventurers at heart. They offer quality courses, accredited courses, job placement, that's huge, and they have several TEFL programs. Let's scroll down. Here are the courses that they offer. But I will tell you, this one right here for the 120 hours is the standard if you're new abroad. This is what everybody has, and at some point, maybe you can move up to this course, or you can take this course, initially. It's up to you. But just to tell you, this professional one is the standard. Let's scroll down, and you can read this page on your own. Where are our graduates now? Right here. So this is where you can move and teach. Let's scroll down. Study anywhere on any device, so you don't have to be stationary. You can get your TEFL certification from anywhere. They are recognized and independently accredited courses. They have international accreditation. Let's scroll down. This part is important to me. This tells you all about them. Here are the programs that they offer, but here's where I want you to focus. Here are the emails if you have questions before you pay your money. You have any questions regarding what you're getting, please reach out to them first before you pay. The second website is Premier TEFL, and their website is premiertefl.com. And they have online courses as well. So let's scroll down. They have employer-approved TEFL courses. Here's that standard course I told you about previously. It's accredited. This is fast track to entry-level jobs. Meet all of the international standards for teaching online and abroad with this fast track qualification. Qualify quickly and start teaching within 6 to 8 weeks. Shorter term, part-time online teaching, essential training to be a first-time teacher, internationally recognized, live job coaching seminars, lifetime TEFL job board membership. So let's click on here. Now, okay. So right now, I think they have 58% off. It's $165 as opposed to $449. So basically, let's scroll down. Your guaranteed pass, personal job coach, and jobs board membership. 30-hour online class, business English 30 hours, and using AI and TEFL. Here's what their course includes: 120 hours accredited online training, lifelong certification and reference letter, certified to teach online and abroad, 26 hours live Zoom classes. That's optional. Oops, let's get this down. Personal tutor support, studying using TEFL app, internationally recognized certification, digital certificate, job coaching seminars, exclusive job boards, self-led study schedule, and 6-month course access. Average time to complete is 3 to 6 weeks, suitable for beginners. Study is 100% online. And scroll down. Requirements: ages between 17 to 70 years old, native and non-native speaker of English, degree or non-degree holder, no teaching experience necessary. So after you complete the qualifications, you will know how to enter your first English class lesson well prepared and confident. And pretty much, let's scroll down, see if there's anything else we should know. And they give you a glance at all the modules. You can click on those and come back and review them. Once you complete, here's your certificate. And they also assign you a number. So if you're abroad, your employer can check the authenticity. So that's always a plus. And that's it for Premier TEFL. The third website is TEFL.org, and they too offer the 120-hour Premier Online TEFL and TESOL course. So it's 50% off right now. So they're saying save $264.50. Now become a certified TEFL teacher with our 120-hour Premier Online TEFL course. It's 100% self-paced, dedicated tutor support, and it's internationally recognized. They have a 4.6 out of 5, and that's based off of 8,579 reviews. That's pretty good. Let's scroll down. Why should you learn to teach English with the TEFL.org? You'll get your TEFL certificate, a dedicated online tutor, lifetime access, 24/7, access to your course on any device, no hidden costs, owned and run by experienced TEFL teachers. So that's great. They have a video that you can watch, how it works. With our 120-hour Premier Online TEFL TESOL course, you can study whenever and wherever suits you to get your certification. So it's pretty much repeating itself. When you scroll down to find out more information about them, they're recognized by these accredited bodies and career opportunities. Over 80% of TEFL graduates find a job within 2 months. 185,000 plus teachers have trusted TEFL.org. 20 plus countries with TEFL teaching positions available in their job center, and lifetime access to their TEFL jobs. That you can't beat that. That's great. And again, it's on sale. And the cost is $264.50, and you click if you want to book your course now. The fourth company we're looking at is the International TEFL and TESOL Training. They teach English abroad and online with International TEFL and TESOL accredited online courses. So these are accredited as well. This is great. Our courses are accredited and recognized worldwide. Online TEFL and TESOL programs, they have the best prices and they offer job placement. So their educational centers are located in dozens of countries around the world, from Guatemala to South Africa to Vietnam. So that's great as well. Gives you a lot of options. Legalization service for documents for teaching English in most countries or working online. Our standard certificate will be enough to secure a job. However, if you want to work in countries such as China, Vietnam, you will need TEFL TESOL certificate notarized, authenticated, and legalized by the country's embassy. Okay, that's great. If you require this service, we can help you with the process and take away all the stress. The whole process for legalizing your certificate will cost around $40 to $200 depending on the service you require. We can also give you a discount to make it a little cheaper, so that's always great. So let's look at what they offer. They too have the 120-hour basic course. Now, the basic course is just $89. Now, if you want the advanced course, $119. They have government registered, $149. Professional teacher, $164. And 20 hours of teaching practice is $179. So these seem like definitely fair prices. They're affordable. So start your TEFL TESOL journey today. You can take your quiz to learn more about them. in enroll, you will click here. In the 5th accredited course is the International TEFL Academy. They are one of the most prominent accredited TEFL programs in the world, offering courses in 25 locations around the world. They offer accredited online TEFL courses for prospective teachers who feel comfortable with self-learning. Over 5,000 teachers have graduated from this academy so far. So in 2024, maybe the year you get paid to see the world. The TEFL industry is booming, and the demand for English teachers worldwide has never been this high. So they have been recognized by Thrillist, Chicago Tribune, and the Huffington Post in the United Kingdom. Let's scroll down. What's in my free TEFL brochure, which you will download here? 30 pages of detailing the world teaching English abroad online and TEFL certification. Learn everything you need to know to teach English as a foreign language abroad and online. A country chart, the best TEFL certification options, one-on-one guidance, and lifetime job search guidance. So they are rated a 9.7 out of 10, and that comes from 2,500 reviews. Now, they don't have the price for their courses here. I'm sure it's in the brochure, but I did a little digging. So their courses range from $99 to $3,000, depending on what you choose. And the bonus website I'm going to tell you about is goabroad.com. And they have what they call teach-away programs. So let's scroll down. They have teach-away programs in different countries. You can choose a directory here, jobs abroad, teach abroad, or the countries. Now, for the purposes of this video, I will not review every country, but it will tell you what the requirements are to teach in their country. So TEFL is required in some of these countries, but not all. So it's depending on where you want to move. Let's scroll down. They have Mexico, Netherlands, Bahrain, South Korea, China, Japan, Cuba, Greece, Thailand, Peru, Poland, Spain, Cambodia, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Colombia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Brazil, and they also have Canada, but I'm not seeing that on this list. So you can peruse through these programs. If we go back to the home screen, they all have different prices, of course. There's just a bunch of information on this website. And again, it just depends what you want. So I just wanted to introduce you to this website in case what I reviewed earlier was not attractive. This gives you a broad scope and, more options. And again, this is goabroad.com, or Teachaway is what they commonly call it. So I'll scroll down so you can see, but pretty much this is your one-stop shop.